So you want to know how to get extra time off of work for struggling with your mental health? Oh, there's a way. You can get days out of work and it's not going to count anything against you and it's not going to take away the time that you already have. So just listen to me for a second. FMLA. You can get mental health days to take by using your FMLA, and that's the Family Medical Leave Act. So if your company offers that benefit and you have worked there for 1 year and in the past year you've worked 1,250 hours, then you have a benefit that you can utilize. You have a health condition, your doctor has diagnosed you with anxiety or depression and you're handling that and you're currently struggling. Like you literally have having anxiety attacks or panic attacks and you may not be able to work. So that is when you use your FMLA. And this is something that you can take off just whenever, like sporadic days, or you can take a big length of time and you get 12 weeks of time to take. And even if you don't have any PTO or anything like that, you can still take your FMLA. If you have a mental health condition and you've been diagnosed and you're currently getting treatment for it, then you are eligible to get qualified for an FMLA leave. So go ahead, check on that, talk to your doctor about filling out your FMLA forms, and check on that benefit.